In this video, I'm going to be revealing the bitter truth about dropshipping and one truth I have been able to discover which many people or many dropshipping mentors are not speaking about. Do you understand? Now, subscribe to this channel, hold your popcorn and listen to me right now. When you are trying to start dropshipping, always eradicate that mentality that you can start dropshipping for free. A lot of dropshipping mentors have been telling you that you can actually start dropshipping for free and start dropshipping with $0 either in Nigeria or anywhere you are watching me from. It is all a lie. Now, listen to me very carefully. Let's analyze it. Let's say, for instance, you create your Shopify store all for free. Do you understand? You were able to learn that online, or you lay your hands upon a particular product that you feel like it's actually going to make you a lot of money and has a lot of huge market. Now, you have to understand that for your first few orders, let's say, for instance, for your first 5 orders or for your first 10 orders, you promoted this product all for free. You got your first few orders. You have to understand that most of this payment processor, just like Stripe, Wise or other payment processor, do not send you payments until 7 days to 2 weeks. Between 7 days to 2 weeks. And you have to understand that a lot of people cannot wait. A lot of customers who are trying to purchase things from your store might become paranoid and start asking for refund. Do you understand? A lot of people are impatient. So you have to understand this, that you need a small capital by which you can be able to place at least the first few orders for you to be able to make your profit. Do you understand? To avoid all this adino. Now, being fast will do you a lot of favor. Even before 7 days to 2 weeks, before you get your payment, you should have a particular capital that you can easily, quickly, whenever you see an order being placed on your store and payment is done, you can quickly use your own money to place this order for these people, and this product gets to them as fast as possible, because you have a lot of competition and a lot of people are trying to advertise to these same people just like you. Do you understand? There are many dropshippers like you who are trying to advertise to them on TikTok or wherever you are trying to promote all for free. Do you understand? So let's say you use free teams, right? You're going to be paying some agency, buy some course on how you can be able to open the payment processor, especially if you're in Nigeria. Do you understand? You will need to pay and open form a company in the US or UK for you to be able to get a Stripe account. Okay, then after this, you need the ability to pay someone who knows about TikTok ads like me, you understand, to help you to open the TikTok ads account, show you how to run the ads successfully, to convert and bring you massive sales on your store. And it's just impossible. So don't let anybody lie to you. This is my piece of cake for you, piece of advice and hard truth. So if you need anyone who can help you open a TikTok ads account, if you're in Africa, watching me from Africa, then you can chat me using the number on the screen, or that's in the description box. You see my WhatsApp link. Chat me and I'll show you how to pay for TikTok ads, run the TikTok ads, verify your TikTok business address. Do you understand? Do everything for you, and you can get started to running your TikTok ads to get massive followers, gifters, people who want to buy your product or services. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.